Alright guys, so if you are looking for a text to speech converter software, you have come to the right place. In fact, personally, I wanted it so much because a lot of places when I tried to find the free to use text to speech software, it was like a machine reading out my text. It did not convey the human emotions. So this is the first time ever I came across this particular software, and which is literally, it is going to blow your mind away, change your business forever. The any kind of video that you want to implement, any kind of text, all you have to do is just paste the text into this, choose any of the voices that you want to convert that text into, and just find your output voice ready to use, ready to upload. And this is literally one of the best software that I've experienced. Like, it has over 30 human sounding voices, male and female voices, and many other languages, supports with all the Camtasia, Adobe Premiere, etc, etc. I mean, this is one of the best sort of a thing when it comes to like conversion. In fact, like, it has a lot of reviews, like, but this is really good. As you can see, some of the people have literally said, I mean, this guy is like, he's saying that for the first time when he saw this thing, like, he was amazed that why they're not using the AI thing, like why they are using the real voices, until he realized it is through the AI only. So this is how humanly it seems to be. In fact, you have like Russian, English, Arabian, any kind of languages, any kind of voices that you want to hear. In fact, like, as you can see, US English male, US English kid, female, French, Spanish, all these languages, human being reading out your text, one of the best out there. And in fact, like, the free ones, if you try to find out, one of the worst experiences. In fact, you will be having a really hard time and waste of time. If you really want to do something good, you have to go with the paid option, and then you also don't have to spend thousands of dollars out there. Because, I mean, thousands of dollars if you had to spend, why not then just hire for like $10, $15 every time? So this particular software literally is delivering value of thousands of dollars, but you're getting it for like $47. I mean, normally, I mean, it is even like 53% discount that is ongoing, with the link that is provided in the video description. So literally, I do not promote any of the thing unless until I believe in it. This is really making rounds. Many of the companies are using this particular software, so you have to use it if you really want to convert your text to speech. So the link is down there in the video description, and it's a one-time price. You have a lifetime access. It's complete access, like there is no catch to it. Lifetime access, use it as many times as possible. But there is something far more interesting on that. It has a 60-day money back guarantee. That means no question asked. It is ClickBank affiliated, which is like the company $1 billion of transactions it has done, like from 2001. So 60-day money back guarantee they have to give. Anytime you feel, even your $47 will be returned to you. So this is how good the deal is. And definitely all you have to do is just paste the text. As you can see, paste your text, choose any of the voice you want, and you have the output ready to use. As simple as that. So all your hiccups, all your problems are gone with respect to text to speech conversion. Just click the link down below in the video description and you have it all. So thanks a lot. I hope you find the review useful. Again, goodbye.